Hello, everyone! Today, I want to discuss a topic that I think many people are interested in: how to transform spaces we frequently use into more relaxing and minimalist environments, especially our bedrooms, where we spend a lot of time resting and recharging. You might not realize the importance of decluttering and minimizing your bedroom until you actually do it. This not only helps create a more comfortable living space, but also brings a sense of relaxation and tranquility. For me, minimalism isn't just about owning as few things as possible, but also surrounding myself with items that are truly necessary and meaningful. Here are some ways I apply to keep my bedroom simple and a place I genuinely enjoy stepping into. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Here, we share about minimalist living, saving tips, technology, and many other interesting topics. If you find this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. To keep your living space clean and organized, it's essential to regularly clean up and eliminate unnecessary items. Start by organizing a gentle cleanup session to reassess the items you no longer use. For example, you can go through and discard old clothes that you no longer wear or decorative items that no longer fit the style and space of your room. This not only helps free up space, but also enhances a sense of cleanliness and relaxation in your living area. Moreover, if you feel these items can still be useful, consider donating them to charitable organizations or selling them for recycling and helping others. One simple yet effective approach I've adopted is minimizing hanging items on walls. Indeed, having fewer or even no items hanging on walls can make your space look more spacious and airy. When you look around a room with empty walls, the sense of space expands, creating a relaxed environment without distractions. I understand there are valid reasons for hanging a calendar or a beautiful piece of art on the wall. However, currently, I prefer to keep the walls mostly bare, following the less but quality principle. This not only helps maintain a neat space, but also allows any displayed items, such as a few vibrant potted plants, to stand out. Instead of hanging numerous decorative items, I focus on creating a lively and natural living space. For example, placing several plant pots in corners or on shelves adds fresh greenery and vitality to the room. Plants not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve air quality, providing a comfortable and soothing atmosphere. Additionally, I prioritize selecting furniture with simple designs and versatile functionalities. For instance, a bed with drawers underneath for storing clothes or personal items helps save space and keeps the bedroom tidy. Another practice I find very beneficial is maximizing natural light. Allowing sunlight to flood into the room by opening curtains during the day is essential. You can use mirrors to reflect light, making the space brighter and more airy. Lastly, maintaining order and organization is crucial. Using storage boxes, shelves, or drawers to categorize and store belongings not only makes items easy to find, but also keeps the bedroom clean and tidy. Caring for plants not only enhances the beauty of a room, but also brings a sense of relaxation and tranquility. The green color of leaves creates a vibrant and energetic living space, making me feel closer to nature right in my own home. Particularly, nurturing plants brings me a small joy each day as I watch them grow and thrive. I've had 2 plants in my bedroom for about 2 years now. One is a trailing plant that has grown quite long, creating a beautiful and cool green corner. The other is a snake plant, known for its easy care and resilience. The snake plant not only beautifies the space, but also improves air quality, providing a fresh and pleasant atmosphere. One special aspect I've noticed about having plants in the bedroom is how perfectly they complement wooden furniture. Most of the items in my room are made of natural wood, and the fresh green plants create a harmonious and cozy environment. This combination not only livens up the room, but also brings a sense of relaxation and tranquility every time I step into the space. If you're looking to refresh your living space, consider placing a few potted plants in your room. You don't need to choose difficult to care for plants. You can start with easy-to-grow varieties like snake plants, succulents, or peace lilies. These plants are not only low maintenance, but also durable and thrive well even in low light conditions. Harnessing natural light is a fantastic strategy to brighten and expand living spaces. Opening windows to let natural light flood into the room creates a natural-friendly environment, fostering relaxation and positive energy throughout the day. I often leverage this natural light for work, relaxation, and even video recording, as it not only enhances the brightness of the room, but also stimulates my creativity. Utilizing natural light whenever possible helps me not only relax, but also maintain focus and productivity in my work. Having a space illuminated by natural light not only makes me feel closer to nature, but also creates an ideal environment for creativity and content production. When decorating my bedroom, I've come to appreciate how furniture made from lightweight materials, like premium plastics or powder-coated metals, can create a modern and sleek space. Initially, I didn't have a specific plan for choosing furniture, but I've always been drawn to soft, neutral tones and simple designs. Currently, I have a lamp, bed frame, and desk all made from lightweight materials in shades of white and gray. Even though my shelf has a slightly different color, I still love its structure and flexibility. The combination of lightweight furniture and plants has created a vibrant and contemporary living space. Another important factor in keeping the bedroom tidy and functional is using multifunctional furniture. Furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes help optimize space efficiently. For instance, opting for a bed with drawers underneath for storing clothes or personal items not only saves space, but also keeps the bedroom organized and tidy. Additionally, using a foldable vanity table enhances flexibility and utility. These smart choices not only optimize space, but also provide convenience and comfort. You can explore multifunctional furniture options at stores or online shopping websites, selecting items that match your style and needs. Using an air purifier has significantly improved my health and made everything in the room fresher and more pleasant. The air purifier not only cleans the air, but also features an essential oil tray, allowing me to add my favorite scents and create a relaxing atmosphere. An added benefit is that the machine emits white noise, a soothing sound that helps me easily drift into sleep, something I previously struggled with in complete silence. This experiment has completely changed my perspective on air purifiers, and I highly recommend trying one if you're experiencing air quality issues in your room. Sometimes, small changes like this bring unexpected benefits to your health and sleep quality. To manage cables effectively in the space, especially under the desk where they often create clutter, I've focused on maximizing both practicality and aesthetics. Behind my computer monitor, I've hidden cables neatly to maintain a clean and tidy workspace. However, under the desk remains a challenge yet to be fully resolved. To keep my living space organized and easy to manage, I adhere to the principle of arranging everything logically and systematically. Using storage boxes, shelves, or drawers for sorting and storing items not only optimizes space, but also creates a harmonious and orderly living environment. This approach makes it easy for me to find things when needed and ensures a comfortable and convenient living environment. These strategies have helped me maintain balance in life. I hope you found value and inspiration from this video to apply to your own space. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.